Hi, friends! Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch what happens next. More adventures are coming.
I think this part needs more tightening. There! My motorcycle will be perfect now.
All right, let's start you up. Yes, it works perfectly now. Smooth and strong, just the way I fixed it. Okay, time to see if you really work. Nice! So smooth! Woohoo! This is fun! Let's see how strong you are on the hills. Come on, climb! Climb! Whoa! This hill is slippery!
Woo! I made it all the way up. Wow, these avocados are B.I.G. This farm is perfect. Got one. Nice and safe. Let's get more. These trees are F-U-L-L today.
Okay, now let's load these safely. Stay there, good. Perfect. Equal weight on both sides. Now you won't fall off. Hold tight, we're going down now. Nice and easy, steady, steady. Good job, rope. Don't let anything fall.
Almost home. I can't wait. Home sweet home. Here I come.
All right, time to unload. Still fresh, perfect. Oof, this one is heavy. I harvested all of the... Okay, let's get these inside. Now to store everything properly. Perfect. Let's fill them up. Look at that. Nice and... Hi, friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch what happens next. More adventures are coming.